and pray to God every day.
Okay.
All the time.
We will.
I like go to marry with the pastor, student from the theological college.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Grandma.
If you go high ranch,
Yeah.
degree.
It's because me and Fo are beautiful like you, Grandma.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get it from. That's
Grandma, you're
I
a
didn't
diva.
go to college like you.
But you're beautiful.
Beautiful from
You.
you more beautiful than
You're
me.
beautiful, Grandma.
Oh,
Yeah.
stop it.
When you are growing up until this time, you are still okay.
Grandma, all your
I
grandchildren are
remind you.
all ratchet. We're the only beautiful ones.
Beautiful, looking, and your good education,
Mm-hmm.
and your spiritual life,
Yes.
spiritual education.
Grandma, speak to us in Psalm 1. We understand.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, because
yeah.
you know,
We
we on that
Yeah.
level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uma, kipi. Kipi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Afai o yengi lo wo ngao. Ine if ai se umayala wa onga. Ko failos ka wo ngi.
Yeah.
O ko felo ka wa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ka mo maya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ole mga o pepel me o ya.
No
never.
papel.
Kalo wo is uma. Ase uma felo kalo kai mi ele nga waso. So si kula laso.
Yeah.
Malipo.
Oy.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I try hard. I pray hard to reach reach the high
Life.
way.
High life.
High rank.
High rank.
Yeah. Top one.
Oh.
We must disconnect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Disconnect
I hope
today.
you will listen what I'm telling
Yes,
you now.
Oh yeah, Grandma, of course.
Yeah. Good.
Right. We love you. Oh, okay. Oy. Yeah, okay. Fo's gonna marry A'o.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Fo. Oh yes.
Your grandmother in Samoa.
Yeah. Faipo Fo male
He
A'o.
slapped you.
Oh no. You tell them they have a good
How you like it if I told you?
If I go to Samoa, I look for